Guys, what did you think about my baked butternut? Let me taste it. It's so yummy. I'm serving it with cold Coca-Cola. So this is the yummiest breakfast you can make if you are bored with bread and it's natural. So watch it out until the end. May God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe. More is coming out in the Lucky Mommy's kitchen. Hi my lovely viewers, thank you for coming back to watch my channel again. I'm so humbled. Welcome to the Lucky Mommy's kitchen. Today I want to show you how to bake butternut or pumpkin. In my hometown we call it pumpkin. You know, sometimes people, those who don't like the one boiled, so I want to show you a way you can bake it and it becomes yummy. Yeah, so to me preparation is very important. So what I need to have this butternut or pumpkin, call it pumpkin. I need 2 spoons of sugar. I need a pinch of salt. I need oil, not too much, little. I need cinnamon powder. Yeah. Then I need a baking tin. This is my baking tin. Okay. And this is my baking paper. This is for cooking inside. So I want to take yours very fast. I want to peel let's peel it together, cut it together and see what happens. Okay, now I'm peeling it. You wash it before you peel it. I've already washed it. Look at this. I have to cut it like this. One part. Another part. Now cut it into small squares. Okay, this is how it looks after cutting. So what you need to get a clean plate and put it inside. sugar, put it in, put a pinch of salt, this is my cinnamon, put, okay, not so much, come with your oil. After you are done, we have a baking tin here. Now it's ready to be baked. Okay, and it's ready to be baked. I want to put it now in the oven. Let's see. Okay friends, this is now my baked, you can see, butternut. This is how it looks. I almost forgot, it almost turned black, but this is how it should be now. I have to put it in my plate, then I serve it with a glass of juice.